Good evening, everyone. So in the last videos, we have seen normal queue implementation by using arrays. Of course, with the help of linked list also, we can implement our normal queue, but that part we will discuss later. In today's session, I want to talk about, sir, one more type of queue, which is nothing but circular queue. Circular queue. Sir, what is mean by circular queue? Sir, there are some problems are there with respect to normal queue. To overcome those problems, we are going for circular queue. Okay, so there are some problems are there. There are some problems are there. Okay, so with normal queues. So to overcome these problems, to overcome those problems, okay, so we are using circular queue. Circular queue, sir, what is that a problem? What is that a problem? So even though we have empty, I mean, even though we have empty locations inside stack, sorry, inside queue, sometimes it will display, sir, saying my queue is full, my queue is full, like that. Sometimes it will display. Sir, I will explain the scenario where we are getting this kind of issue. Have a look once. Sir, consider I have a queue is there, normal queue I have. Okay. Sir, with how many elements? Assume this queue is going to hold 5 elements. This is 0th location, and this is the first location. This is the second location. So this is third location, and consider this is fourth location. So how many elements are there in the queue? Total we have 5 elements are there. Consider the elements are 11, so 22, so 33, 44, and then 55, like this we have. Sir, if you observe technically, where my friend is pointing at 0th location, right? Where my rear is pointing at fourth location. Okay, where my friend is pointing at 0th location, where my rear is pointing at fourth location. This is nothing but the places for front and then rear. Okay, fine, sir. Your front and rear perfectly pointing here. No problem at all. Now, consider I want to perform one delete operation. But before that, assume I want to insert one data. So the data which I want to insert is nothing but consider 66. I want to insert 66. Sir, what immediately my queue is going to tell? Array boss, you have reached rare value to the max, because you know very well rare will be pointing to fifth location. Already I explained. First we are going to increment the rare variable, then only we are going to store the values. Now what will happen? It is telling my rare is full, sorry, my queue is full. So because rare reached to maximum size, right, like this it is telling. Sir, now consider I want to perform delete operation. Immediately which item it is going to delete? 11, because first in first out. Now my friend is pointing to first location, right? Now sir, let us try to insert 66. Again my queue is going to respond with a message called full. Sir, why? We have vacant position, but my queue is full or not, we are verifying by using which pointer? Rare pointer. I am using rare pointer to check whether my queue is full or not. Okay, so because of that rare pointer, we are not changing the rare pointer, right? We will always try to change front pointer, because we are going to insert the objects only in the rear side, but whenever deletion happens, it will be added at the front side. Okay, so based on this situation, what my queue is telling? Queue is, but there is a vacant position. This is nothing but the normal queue having some issue. Okay, to overcome this problem, okay, to overcome this problem, we are going for circular queue. So can you please confirm the problem what we are facing in this normal queue? Is it clear for you people? Because if it is clear, then we can go for solution for this. Please confirm everyone. Right, sir. So I'm going to overcome this problem by using circular queue. So that is the reason why circular queue concept came into the picture. This is a circular queue. Sir, how the elements are arranged? This is nothing but 0th element. This is nothing but first element. This is nothing but second element. This is nothing but a third element. And this is nothing but a fourth element. Like this, we have circular queue. Now we are inserting 11 and we are inserting 22. We are inserting 33. We are inserting 44. We are inserting 55. Okay. If you perform delete operation, initially front will be here, right? Rear will be here. Sir, what is mean by circular? Circular means what? This front, if you delete any one object, front will go to 1. Next 2, next 3, next 4, again 0. That is the concept of circular queue. Okay, it won't end at one position. Sir, if you attach it to the beginning, then happily we can able to store, right? For this, whether queue is full or not, we are not checking based on one condition. We are going to introduce one separate variable called count. So whenever an object is inserted into the queue, then count variable is going to be incremented. Whenever an object is removed from the queue, then count variable will be decremented. So if count is equal to 0, there is no object in the queue. If count is equal to maximum size, yes, my queue is full. Okay. So whether maximum size reached or not, we are not checking with the help of rear and front pointers. Okay. So if a front is available at the beginning, that doesn't mean that my queue is full. There are some places where vacancy will be there. Okay. So here, hero of our cinema is nothing but what's our count. Based on count only, we are going to run the entire show. Okay. I think you people got some idea of the circular queue style. Can you please confirm if this circular queue style is clear for you people? Directly, I will go with the program. Please confirm, friends, clear up to this. Right. Good. So now I'm going for a programmatic example for this. You people have to get clarity on this. Okay. So I will take a Java program to implement this circular queue. Let us have a look once how it is going to be happen. 1 second. One second, sir. Please wait. Right. Now I am taking the program circular queue implementation, circular queue implementation by using arrays. So I want to use the concept of arrays for implementing this circular queue. Let us see how it is going to work. Sir, class CQ by using arrays. Sir, which variables are required to work with circular queue? I need front variable. I need rear variable. I need count variable. Next and after that, I need some CQ. Otherwise, a queue of certain objects. Yes, like this. Now I will take a constructor, okay, to hold initial values. We know very well by default your front value will become 0, your front value will become -1, the rear value will become -1, and the count is equal to 0. Even size is also required, right? How many elements it is going to hold. So one more variable, because we are implementing by using arrays. That's why size is always fixed. Q is equal to new integer of it is going to hold these many elements. Yes, my circular queue is ready. Now, the first operation is nothing but insert operation where I am giving some value. Sir, first I will check. Array is your count is equal to your count is equal to size. If your count is equal to size, then what is the meaning? My circular queue is full, right? Then we can say my queue is full. I can't able to add. Then immediately return. If not, check whether your front and rear both are same. If your front and rear both are same means we are assigning front is equal to rear is equal to 0. Otherwise, listen carefully. Your front will become so front plus 1 percentage size. This is the special moment what we have. Then we are going to sorry, 1 second, not front rear because insert operation, right? Then sir, q of rear will become the value which you want to insert. Immediately what we have to do, count plus plus. Sir, now I will explain this process with a small diagram. Have a look once. Sir, I have circular queue is there. Just imagine this is nothing but my circular queue. Like this I have. Like this I have. This will become 0th element. This will become first element. This will become second element. This will become third element. This will become fourth element. Like this I have. Sir, what is the initial value of a front? -1. Rear value -1. So size is equal to 5 elements are there. Count will become 0. Now I am starting operations. I want to insert 11. Sir, is count is equal to size? No. Is front and rear are same? Yes. Then take front is pointing at 1 second. I will change the color. So your front is pointing at 0. Rear is also pointing at 0. Then if condition satisfied, that's why else want to execute. Q of rear. Which element you want to insert? 11. That Q of rear will become 11. Count plus plus count is 1. So one item got inserted. I want to insert one more item. Sir, what will happen? If you want to insert one more item, same insert value. Is count is equal to size? No. Then is front is equal to rear? No. 1 second. Here, I think this condition you have to change. If your front is equal to -1, then only you have to do this. Sir, is your front is equal to -1? No, right? Your front is not equal to -1. Sir, if your front is not equal to -1, okay, if your front is not equal to -1, then sir, rear is equal to rear plus 1. What is the previous value of rear? 0, right? Okay, what is the previous value of rear? It is nothing but 0. Sir, 0 plus 1, that is nothing but 1. 1 percentage 5, you know very well, it will become 1. Now, where my rear pointing? Not this one, this one. Now, store that value and increment count value by 1 unit. Sir, one more insertion I want to take. Is your count is equal to size? No. Is your front is equal to -1? No. Rear will become, previous rear is 1. 1 plus 1 will become 2. So 2 percentage 5 will become 2 only. So it will be added here 33. So immediately count will become 3. One more insertion. Sir, previous rear value is 2 plus 1 will become 3. So 3 percentage 5 will become 3. So that rear will be here and 44 will be inserted here and then it will become 4. One more insertion. So 3 plus 1 will become 4. So 4 percentage 5 will become 4. So Q of 4 will become your item, which is nothing but rear. Okay. Now count value will become 5. Now I want to insert one more object. Sir, what is the count value? Size. It is reached, right? So is there any possibility to insert the object? No, we can't able to insert. Immediately what will happen? The program is going to end, saying the message, my circular queue is nothing but full. Like this, we are going to get. So can you please confirm, is the basic insert operation, is it clear for you people? Right. Sir, everything is okay. But what about your logic? You told we are going for circular queue for a specific reason. Can you please show that? Yes, happily. For example, consider I deleted one object. Just let us assume I deleted one object. Sir, immediately your friend will move to here and there is a vacant position. Sir, whenever you are doing this operation, so this will become 4, right? Now I am trying to insert. Is your count is equal to size? No. Then is your friend is equal to -1? No. Then rare is equal to, what is the formula? Previous rare, which is nothing but a 4. So 4 plus 1 percentage 5 means what? 5 percentage 5. Sir, what is the result? 0. So immediately your rare will point to here and it will store the data. Have you observed how technically it is working? So because of this percentage size, it won't to go beyond that. It will keep on repeating the values. Okay, this is nothing but how we are going to work with insert function. So can you please confirm, is this insert function, is it clear for circular queue operation? Right. Now I will write code for delete operation. Okay. So I will write code for delete operation. I am taking void delete. So here, if your count is equal to, sorry. So if your count is equal to 0, then what is the message that we can display? System.out.println of, okay, I am telling my queue is empty. We can't able to insert the values and simply return. Sir, otherwise, if your front and rear both are pointing to the same, then you can set front is equal to rear is equal to -1. If it is not the case, then what we have to do? Your front will become already available front plus 1 percentage. So size value we have to take like this. Sir, immediately count minus minus. Which item it is deleted? Let me display here. System.out.println of. So deleted item is plus q of friend. That's all. Sir, now let us take one simple analysis for this. Assume I have a queue is there like this. Like this we have. So it will become 0th location. It will become first location. It will become second location. It will become third location. And it will become fourth location. Like this I have. Sir, what about your count? My count is initially 0. Okay, my count is initially 0. Q is empty. So suppose consider I have some elements like 11, 22, 99. Okay, so 8, 7 like this. My friend is here, my rear is here. Deleted item is Q of a friend 11 because this is the first item which we inserted. Now your friend will become friend plus 1. That is nothing but 0 plus 1 will become 1. 1 percentage 5 means which is pointing here. Okay. Now what will happen here? This item got deleted. Second time if I am performing deletion, previously your count is 5. Now it will become 4. Second time if you want to perform deletion, okay, So what will happen? Your front is equal to, sorry, q of a front is the item which is removed, that is 22. If a front is equal to rear, no, then your front will become, previous front is 0, 0 plus 1 will become 1, not 1, I think front is 1, right? So 1 plus 1 will become 2, 2 percentage 5 will become 2. So your front is pointing here, so that this reference got deleted. Okay, like this we can delete the items. Okay, sir, clear about this deletion? Can you please confirm? Right. Sir, how to display the values? Because that is the very important case, right? How to display the elements? I am taking display. Sir, first, if your count is equal to 0, what is the meaning? We don't have any elements in the queue. Okay. Then my queue is empty. There is no more elements. Simply written. Otherwise, what we have to do? Very, very important. I am taking I is equal to French. Okay. Sir, if your front is less than or equal to rare, one situation, else another situation. Sir, why two situations are there? Yes, I will show you. So why we are getting these two situations? Have a look once. So consider I have one case is there here, Q is there here. So 0th location, first location, second location, third location, fourth location, front is here, rear is here. Elements will become 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like this we have. So this is case 1. Second case, already some Q is there here. Okay. So your this is nothing but 0th location. So first location, second location, third location, fourth location. Your front is pointing here, your rear is pointing here. So 11, 22, 33, 44, 55. When I am trying to insert a 66, it is telling wrong. So that's why I am deleting one item. Your front will be pointing here. This item got removed. Now I am inserting one more item. Rear will be pointing here. 66 is loaded here. Sir, I is equal to front. I is equal to, what is the front value? 0. Is front value is less than or equal to rear? Yes, this is one case. Sir, what is the front value? 1. Is it less than or equal to rear? No. Another case. In this case, we have to print all the elements. In this case also, my queue is full. We have to print remaining elements also. That's why two cases are there. Sir, what is the first case? Sir, my front is less than or equal to rear. What I have to do? Very simple. Take a while condition. Until your I value is less than or equal to rear, try to print a system.out.printf. So q of I plus plus followed by some space. Means what? Listen carefully. I is equal to initially 0. Is 0 is less than or equal to rear 4? Yes, print first element, that is 11. I plus plus, I will become 1. Is 1 less than or equal to 4? Yes, print the next item. Sir, next 2, is it less than or equal to 4? Yes, print the next item. Sir, 3, is it less than or equal to 4? Yes, print the next item. Sir, 4, is it less than or equal to 4? Yes, print the next item. Like this, all the elements. Sir, if this is the situation, then how you are going to handle? Very simple. Here also I am going to write while loop only, but until your I is not equal to, until your I is not equal to rear, I am printing system.out.print of. So q of I, here I need brackets. System.out.print of. So q of I am printing. Okay. After this, I need to give some space. Sir, what about I value? I is equal to I plus 1 percentage size, sir. Sir, now let us trace out. Sir, what is the initial value of I? Front. What is the front value? 1. Sir, is it not equal to rear? 1 is not equal to rare value is 0. Yes. Then print q of a friend. So 22, right? Then I is equal to I plus 1. Sir, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 percentage 5 will become 2. Sir, 2 is not equal to 0. Yes, print the item. Second location, 33. Next, I will become 3. 3 percentage, sorry, 3 percentage 5 will become 3 only. 3 is not equal to 0. Yes, print the object available. Sir, now I value will become 4. 4 percentage 5 will become 4. 4 is not equal to 0. Yes, condition true. It is going to print the element which is available in fourth location. Now observe carefully. 5 percentage 5. 5 percentage 5, which will become 0, right? Which will become 0. Sir, now 0 is not equal to 0. Condition satisfied or not? No, not satisfied. It will come out from the loop. Sir, 22, 33, 44, 55 is there. But what about this element? Array better after coming out from this loop, you can print system dot out dot println of only one element is there, which is nothing but so q of I. What is the latest value of I? 0. Q of 0 will be printed like this. So we can print all the elements. Can you please confirm, is this a display function? Is it clear for you people? Yes, please confirm. Right, sir. Now just I need to check the code whether it is working or not. So first I am creating CQ array obj is equal to RQ is equal to, so new CQ array I am taking and I am printing Q dot display function. Is there any elements in this? No, as of now, empty Q is there. So let us execute this code. I am taking, so Java C space test dot Java. Oh, so many variables. Yeah, I have not declared the value of I. Is that is the only problem that we have? I think so. Yes. Yeah, right. Let us run the code. Yes, my queue is empty because we don't have any elements. Now try to insert. Sir, q dot insert of 111. So q dot insert of 222. Let me check these two elements. Perfectly added. So q dot insert of 333. So q dot insert of 444. So q dot insert of 555. Let us check. Perfectly added. Now, sir, q dot, can you please insert 666? Sir, immediately it is going to tell my queue is full. Now try to delete one operation. So q dot delete. Which item it is going to delete? The first inserted item. And let us call display function. That 111 won't be there. Right? Deleted item. Can I insert now? No problem. You can insert that element. So q dot insert of 666. After this, if you ask q dot display, yes, it will display including that 666. But where that 666 got added? Since it is a queue at last. This is the way how you can work with circular queues. Okay, circular queue implementation by using arrays explained. So by using linked list, how you can able to do that part we will discuss tomorrow. Please confirm, clear up to this? Right, sir. Anyway, I will upload the running notes within few minutes. You can able to download. Okay, thank you guys. Tomorrow we will meet.